everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how much, and this house is for sale or for rent, a house outside of the center of Aguascalientes in the state of Aguascalientes is. So this is a 3 full bathroom house with, currently it's 3 bedrooms, and you could make the bottom one a bedroom. Does have an HOA fee of 550 pesos a month. It's in a gated community, and it has a swimming pool. It's a community swimming pool in the area. So come on, let's take a look. Hola.
This is the bathroom.
This is a full bathroom, very good size.
This is the living room.
Okay, yeah.
And this the dining room.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Okay. So you have an outdoor space.
It's a little garden.
Yes.
Yes, very nice.
The kitchen.
Next is a very open and spacious kitchen with great room to cook and a good sized kitchen island with a large stove and oven. Lots of room to cook.
The laundry? Okay.
This is a good sized room.
Very, very large. Hola.
Oh, you
He's,
have a living room in here.
TV room. Wow, very nice TV.
Yeah.
It's big.
This could actually be a bedroom down here.
Yeah?
You could make it a bedroom.
You could.
Yeah.
And
The mini split.
yes,
Wow.
Very good.
Caliente y frío.
yes.
Wow.
To pay the energy is very.
The loose? Okay.
El pago de la luz es muy bajo.
Ah,
good.
okay.
Very cheap, the electricity.
Very cheap.
Yes.
Yeah. How much to buy? La casa.
2,200,000 pesos.
2,200,000 pesos. All right.
Muy bien.
And how? ¿Cuánto cuesta renta la casa?
La renta.
La renta.
12,000 pesos.
12,000
okay.
pesos. All right.
For mess.
So here we have the master bedroom with a large walk-in closet.
Oh, wow. Bonito. Wow. Very good. Lot of room.
So we have another full bathroom.
Wow.
Wow, this is nice. This
Yes.
is very nice.
Bonito.
Yeah. Wow.
Very nice.
This is another room.
It's a good sized bathroom. Next, we have the second bedroom. It has lots of space, and check out this closet. It can hold a lot of things. It's really nice.
Tu casa es muy bien.
Yeah, very nice. Large windows. Grande
Yes.
ventanas. Okay, so we have a third bedroom.
Oh, está bien.
It's no
Está bien.
problema.
It's okay. It's another closet.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, doggy. I'm sorry.
Very large
Ooh, nice
and
closet.
a lot of space.
I'm
Yes.
sorry.
And the mini split. 4 mini splits
4 mini
in
splits.
todo. Okay.
Great.
Hey.
¿Cuánto es la tarifa de mantenimiento mensual? HOA.
550
Pesos.
Okay.
Gracias.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, igualmente. Que
All right, bye.
tengas un buen día.